reviewing for you the Under Armour Charged Gemini running shoes. This particular color, as you can see, is their gray with their pinkish peach color on there. You have the nice pink here, and your peach and white here. One nice thing with them is the nice sturdy foam running base, good flexible, nice breathable mesh here, which I absolutely love, especially if you're running in warmer climates. This mesh does keep your feet nice and cool. You have your lace up option here. Nice thing with them is they have their deluxe foam insert. So it feels like you are walking on a cloud or running on a cloud. It's nice, a thick sole for you to run on, and it keeps your foot very supported. I've worn many of the charged versions of the Under Armour. This Under Armour Charged Gemini is my favorite with that foam padding in there. It makes it a lot more comfortable and a less pressure on your foot when you are running on it. And like I said, the nice foam bottom with good traction. So you have that really good grip to the ground when you are running. Thank you for watching.